Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ram 1500 oil change indicator. First, make sure your truck is completely off. Then, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This prepares the system for the reset sequence. You should see the dashboard lights illuminate, indicating the vehicle's electrical system is active and ready for your input. Next, with the ignition still in the on position, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times. Make sure each press goes all the way to the floor and is completed within a 10-second window. This specific action signals to your truck's computer that you are performing the oil life reset. Consistency in this step is key for the process to register correctly. After completing the 3 accelerator pedal presses, turn your ignition completely off. This finalizes the reset command within the vehicle system. Now, start your engine as you normally would. The oil change indicator light should no longer be illuminated on your dashboard, confirming a successful reset. If it remains on, simply repeat the entire process. Remember, resetting the oil change light should always follow an actual oil and filter change, not precede it. This ensures your engine receives proper lubrication and care. Regular maintenance, including oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, is crucial for your Ram 1500's longevity. Always consult your owner's manual for precise service intervals and specifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.